The sounds of the vowels. Now that you know how to tell the difference between vowels and consonants, you're going to be able to tell the difference between the differences of the vowel sounds. I'll show you what I mean. If a letter is in the hand, A, E, O, U, I, it's a vowel. These letters are the vowels, A, E, O, U, I. If it's in the hand, it's a vowel. If it's not in the hand, it must be a consonant. Here's your question. If a letter is in the hand, is it a vowel or a consonant? A vowel. And if that letter is in the hand, it can't be a consonant. That's all you need to know. Here's the next part. Vowel sounds have two sounds. There's the long vowel sound when the vowel says its name, and there is the short vowel sounds. The short vowel sounds are like the sound of the letter A when you take a bite of an apple. Our memory word is apple. Ah, ah. Friend, what is the sound of short A? Do it with me. Ah, ah. What is the sound of short E? It's like an old man who can't hear. Eh, eh. What is the sound of short O? Short O makes the sound that you make when you go to the doctor and the doctor puts the tongue depressor in your mouth and says, say ah. And we do it this way. Ah, ah. Let's review just those three. What's the sound of short A? Ah, ah. The sound of short E? Eh, eh. The sound of short O? Ah, ah. The sound of short U is like up. The first sound you hear in the word up. If someone says, what's the sound of short U? You and your child will go, like in the word hug. You hear it in the middle of the word. Now the last letter is the letter I. This is tricky between Spanish and English, but in English, the sound of the short sound of the letter I is E, and we say it like this, E, E, like my hand itches. It's the first sound in the word itch, and so our memory word is itch. What is the sound of short I? E, E. Let's review those letters. The sound of short A is ah, ah. The sound of short E is eh, eh. The sound of short O is ah, ah. The sound of short U is uh. The sound of short I is e, e. Practice those and always connect your body with your brain by doing the movements that will help you. Make sure that your child is doing those movements and make them big and strong. Ah, ah, eh, eh, ah, ah, e, e. When the child connects their body with their brain, they remember well. When they bring a lot of energy and fun to the exercise, they remember even better and faster. So ask your child to make all the short vowel sounds. Now, the easy ones are the ones we talked about first, the long vowel sounds, because we know, do it with me, parents and students, there are two kinds of vowel sounds. There's the long vowel sound and the short vowel sounds, which you will practice many times. The long vowel sound is when the vowel says its name. For example, the letter A. You can hear the letter A say its name in the middle of this word. Wait. Eight. Do you hear A say its name? What about this word? Date. I have a date with my doctor. Date. A. I can hear A say its name in the middle of that word. What about this word? E. Hmm. Can you hear E say its name in the word read? Read. We're hearing the long E sound because E is, that's right, saying its name in the middle of the word. What about this letter? Huge. Huge. What letter do you hear? That's right. You heard U say its name in huge or in cube. And this letter, O. Can you hear O say its name? Listen carefully. Hope. Ha. Ope. Ope. Hope. Yes, I hear O say its name in the middle of the word hope. What about soap or boat or note? What about the letter I? Listen carefully. Right. Do you hear I say its name in the middle of the word right? Right. I hear A say its name. What about this one? Bike. I. Yes, I hear I say its name. Now, parents, you are going to have a challenge. I want you to test your student over and over again all day, asking them to make the long vowel sounds A, E, O, U, I, and the short vowel sounds A, A, E, E, Ah, Ah, E, E. Will you write those letters too, parents? And show those letters to your child. I'll show you what I mean in our lesson video.